front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your Samsung keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then you need to scroll down to access theme section. Click on it. Tap on any of those to apply perfect one for you. And when you finished, just go back. So when I check, as you can see, theme of my Samsung keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!